Therefore, he understood that the Rebbe, Breslev Rebbe, came in this world. This is on the Shema, which will be till the end. Everybody needs this teaching. Boy, I know it. I'm printing already 45 years for it, and the whole world, and 12 languages, made of Hebrew, I'm not saying millions and millions and millions. Sure, I have machloikas. Machloikas comes from jealous. Everybody says that this guy money is a lot of money. Everybody's saying a lot of money. And thank God that Hashem helped me. In the beginning, I saw, I'll go ask you for money. You would say no. So my attitude was, I'm the richest person in the world. People took it for joke, and people took it for serious. But most people took it for serious. Why? Because I had by me, the richest people was, you cannot amaze what's richest means. As much money he has, so much problem he has. Well, people was from even the 46 years that I'm in public, from 64. 1964, from Tov Shechov Dalet. And I told myself, I have money. I was recently, 2 months ago, my brother, my nephew, made a bar mitzvah. There was only millionaires there. A little crowd of about 50, 60 people, all millionaires. He begged me to come, still it was my brother, passed away, only 1 year, and why shouldn't go? So, with only millionaires there, comes to me an old person, blessed like this. I want to ask you a question. They say, and who they, people speak, that 2 billion and 1 billion. Could you tell me where you have such money? You're mistaken. Why mistaken? That's what people say. No, you're mistaken. I have 25 billion. What? I pull them up. I saw, there's no way you could kill a rich person. I had in my lifetime so much. How you could kill a rich person? Usually, why a rich person don't have rachmanis on a poor person? You will never be in this place. It was a poor person. Majority of people are poor. He came to Magid, was rich and Magid, a rich person. He said, Rebbe, I've seen, give me a children. See, did very bad things. I told them, I cannot say it in public, very bad things, give me a children. I told them, every day you shall eat a roasted dog, drink wine, take best bread, best wine. Never. Told him, tell me, my tshuva is I should fast 40 days or 100 days. Every day I should say, a dog, a boiled duck, and the best wine, the best bread. No, Rabbi, you have to give me a tikkun should fast. No, I want you. Okay, I will do it. Why? I think they committed. No, he went and he Talmidim asked him why. Tell him, he should fast. Now, when a poor person will come to the door, collecting money, I don't have, I have 5 children, what will tell me? He's fasting, he's not eating. So go eat stones. At least he will eat every day duck and boiled chicken and boiled meat, steaks. For a person, he will give him, no, here they have bread, at least they will give me bread and water and give me. When a person is not in that position, for another one who will never understand the other one, here comes in the Rebbe. He understands everybody, how to even a goy understand. Goy takes the day. Yeah, told his story. He told me the story when it was Thursday night. Thursday night. He's going to sell, to give up booklets, and so a police lady to him. He got scared when he wanted. No, you have good books, you have good books, give me whatever you have. He takes $5, thank you. I had another one. And a Schwarzer, a policeman came by out, but soon I'm going to give him a solicitor, no solicitor. I'm going to give him a ticket. A Schwarzer, a big 6-foot giant guy, took the bag and started to walk. I don't want to get involved in trouble. Hey, come back, you have good stuff. He picks up $10 bill, a Schwarzer, and gives them, what do you have today? You have new one. To understand a person, this is the Rebbe, he comes in the Rebbe. Look, Hashem shall help us, we only made Akdome. I'm saying Akdome? Introduction. Hashem will help. Now I'm going this weekend at the Soul, it's 2 Sundays, I wouldn't be, and I come back to mention Hashem shall help, Hashem shall have Hatzlocha, and Hashem shall help us.